In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is a built-in feature in some editions of Windows that lets you run apps in an isolated, temporary environment. It's great for testing unknown software safely, but it does use extra system resources. If you're not using it, or you're running into conflicts with other tools like virtualization or security software, you might want to turn it off. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to disable it, step by step. First, make sure you're signed in with an account that has administrator rights. You'll need admin permissions, because we're going to be changing Windows features at the system level. Now, go down to your taskbar and click the Start button, or tap the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search box, type Windows Features, and look for the result that says, Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and click that. This will open a small window that lists various optional Windows components you can enable or disable. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. Once the list appears, scroll down until you find Windows Sandbox. The features are usually in alphabetical order, so it should be somewhere near the bottom or middle, depending on your version of Windows. If Windows Sandbox is currently enabled, you'll see a check mark next to it. To disable it, simply click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. You're not uninstalling Windows itself, you're just turning off this optional component so it no longer runs or appears in your Start menu. After unchecking Windows Sandbox, click the OK button at the bottom of the window. Windows will then apply the changes. You may see a progress bar or a short message saying that it's searching for required files or making changes to features. Let that finish. Don't close the window while it's working. Once it's done, Windows will usually prompt you to restart your computer to complete the process. Click Restart Now if you're ready, or Restart Later if you have unsaved work. Just remember that the change won't fully take effect until after that reboot. When your computer starts back up, Windows Sandbox will be disabled. You won't see it in the Start menu anymore, and it won't be using any extra system resources in the background. That's all you need to do to disable Windows Sandbox in Windows.